Video number 8. A guide on social media advertising. Facebook ads. In this video, we dig into everything you need to know about launching a social ad campaign, then give you the nitty-gritty details on how and why to create ads on the most popular social networks. What is social media advertising? Quite simply, a social media ad is any kind of paid content on a social media network. The options run from the one-off promoted tweet or Facebook post to a full-scale campaign with major budgets attached. Let's begin with Facebook ads. Facebook offers several different ad formats. Photo ads. The technical specifications for photo ads vary depending on the ad objectives, so you should check the details on Facebook Business. Video ads. Video ads generally have the same call-to-action options and character counts as photo ads. Carousel ads. A carousel ad lets you include up to 10 images and links in one ad. Slideshow. A slideshow is an ad that creates a video from several static images. All images should have the same size and aspect ratio. Canvas is a full-screen mobile ad type that combines videos, photos, and call-to-action buttons. How to buy Facebook ads. First, you will need to set up a Facebook business page. Once your page is ready to go, you can head over to the Facebook Ads Manager to create your first ad. Step 1. Choose your campaign objective. Facebook offers 15 different campaign objectives. Choose the objective that best aligns with your goals for this particular Facebook ad. Step 2. Choose your target audience and placement. Keep an eye on the meter on the right side of the page that indicates the breadth of your audience selection, along with the estimated daily reach chart on the bottom right. Step 3. Set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget, then set start and end dates for your ad or set it to start running right away. The advanced budget options allow you to really control what you spend by choosing whether to optimize your ad delivery for engagement, impressions, or a unique daily reach, and whether you pay by impression or engagement. Step 4. Create your ad. You can choose to create a new ad or use an existing post. If creating a new ad, you can choose from these options and later preview the ad on the right side of the page. How to set up Facebook video ads. Luckily, if you are already running ads on Facebook, the process is quite similar. To get started. Step 1. Navigate to the top of your profile page and select Create Ads. Step 2. Select the campaign objective, Get Video Views. Step 3. Define your audience, or select a predefined audience, budget, and ad schedule. Step 4. You can upload a video, browse through your library, or create a slideshow with images. Take note of Facebook's recommended video specs before uploading to ensure the highest quality viewer experience. A varying format could result in poor playback or black bars if your aspect ratio is off. Facebook has worked to secure its position as the leader in social ad spend. It has also begun to make its mark on video. In fact, Facebook videos get nearly 4 billion views a day, making it, as Fortune points out, YouTube's first real rival in online video and a strong contender in the battle for digital ad dollars. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.